Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to Daily Code Buffer. In this video of JS Buffer, we are going to see the shift function of an array. So let's take an example over here. Here we are taking the myfish array over here and we have added few of the fishes over here. Now shift function will remove the first element of an array and it will return its particular value. And if the array is empty, it will return the undefined over here. So let's see this function over here. We'll just use myfish dot shift over here, and here you can see that it says removes the first element from an array and returns it. If the array is empty, undefined is returned and the array is not modified. So we'll use this shift function and it should return the value, and let's take it in the value variable fish over here and let's print these values over here. We'll just use console.log fish over here and console.log my fish over here. So this will return the first fish over here, that is angel, and my fish will return the entire array except the first value. So let's run this now, and here you can see that we are getting the correct values over here. This is the first fish which is shifted from the first position, that is the 0th position of the array, and this is our remaining array itself. So this is how shift function will work in an JavaScript. So that's it in this quick video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos. Till then, happy coding. Bye bye.